Hi, welcome to Slay the Spider. I'm Jim B, and I'm the creator and host of Slay the Spider. Shares of the S&P 500 are called S&P Depository Receipts, SPDRs. Spiders. Slay the Spider means I intend to beat the S&P 500 quite substantially. For the week ending November 4th, the markets had a down week. In healthcare, biomedical, healthcare, both declined and drugs advanced. In media communications, internet advanced, media declined, and telephones were unchanged. In technology, electronics, semiconductors, software, and computers all declined. In consumer discretionary stocks, leisure was unchanged, household products declined, restaurants, gaming, and retail advanced, and autos were unchanged. In the financials, on the bull side, insurance, banks, savings and loans, and finance all advanced. On the bear side, Wall Street and real estate advanced. In the industrials, aero defense, building products, and waste management declined. Machinery tools advanced. On the bear side, chemicals declined, metals advanced, and steel was unchanged. In the others group, protection and safety was unchanged. Oil services, transports, and textiles advanced. Gas utilities were unchanged. Business products, forest products, electric utilities, and precious metals all declined. And foods were unchanged. For the week ending November 4th, 7 sectors were unchanged, 17 sectors advanced, 16 sectors declined, no sectors crossed from the bull to the bear or vice versa. There's still 17 on the bull side and 23 on the bear side. Overall, our market score declined from 44 to 43. For the week ending November 4th, the S&P 500 closed at 3770, down 131 for the week, or 3.35%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 32,403, down 459 points, or 1.4%. NASDAQ closed at 10,475, down 627 for the week, or 5.65%. This week, 44 stocks went from buy signals to sell signals. There were 6 fewer listings on the exchange. Currently, 33% of stocks are on buy signals and 67% are on sell signals. Overall, the market score last week was 44. This week, it's 43. Strength lies in the financials and the industrials. Weakness is in media communications and consumer discretionary stocks. For the first 44 weeks of 2022, the S&P 500 is down 20.89%, NASDAQ is down 33.89%, and energy is up 62.74%. For the first 44 weeks of 2022, healthcare is down 7.72%. Media communications is the worst performing sector, down 41.5%. Technology is down 30.5%. Consumer discretionary stocks have lost 33.33%. The financial stocks are down 14.72%. The industrials, the second strongest group behind healthcare, down 11.57%. Real estate's down 31.1%. And basic materials are down 19.5%. For the past week, the S&P 500 was down 3.3%, and NASDAQ lost 5.6%. Energy sector was the best performing sector, up 2.4%. Healthcare was down 1.5% this week. Media communications was the worst performing sector, down 6.7%. Technology stocks were down 6.6%. Consumer discretionary stocks lost 5.1%. The financials lost 0.7%. The industrials were up 0.5%. Real estate stocks were down 1.7%, and basic materials were up 0.9%. For the week ending November 4th, the 10-year Treasury bond yields ended at 4.171%, up 16 basis points for the week. For the past week, West Texas Intermediate crude closed at $92.61, up $4.71, or about 5.4% for the week. For the past 3 months, WTI is up $4.07, or 4.6%. WTI is up 22.4% in 2022 and is 3.2% below the day before the Russian invasion. For the week ending November 4th, wholesale gasoline, RBOB, closed at $2.73, down 17.2 cents or 5.91% this past week. The 3-month change is down 6 cents or minus 2.1%. Year to date, our RBOB opened the year at $2.24. It's now $2.73, up 22.1% year to date. For the past week, natural gas closed at $6.40, up 60 cents after last week's 71-cent rise, or 16.9% this week. The 3-month change is down $1.72, or 21.2%. Year to date, natural gas is up from $3.70 to $6.40, up 73% year to date. Here is the Biden era chart comparing crude oil, wholesale gasoline, and natural gas. Since Biden was inaugurated January 20th, 2021, crude is up 77.2%, gasoline is up 77.1%, and natural gas is up 161.6%. Crude and wholesale gasoline are nearly equal to where it was the day before the Russian invasion. If your news source is claiming Russia is responsible for energy costs rising, I'd suggest getting another news source unless you don't mind being lied to and misled. Subscriptions are available for $12 a month on an annual contract or $15 a month on a month-to-month contract. I've been producing the Slay the Spider Circle since 1998 and using it to manage private client assets. I've been nearly completely out of stocks for the past year. My portfolio performance is now well ahead of the S&P 500 and NASDAQ indices since I went into cash. That's the total idea behind Slay the Spider. Outperform the indexes in both up and down markets. Now is an excellent example of cash beating the market substantially. I'm looking forward to buying many of the stocks I owned previously at prices well below what I sold them for last year. I will then own more shares going forward, in some cases twice as many. Sure, there were a few stocks I wish I had kept, but in total, I'm more than happy avoiding this bear market.